In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding on Godaddy. This process is straightforward and will help you streamline your communications by forwarding emails from one address to another. Let's dive right in and go through this step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Godaddy website. When you get there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with their homepage. You'll notice an array of services listed, such as domain names, websites, and hosting, all located under the section titled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting and Online Marketing Tools. Now let's sign in. Click on the Sign In button. It's usually at the top right corner of the web page. If you're not signed in already, you'll need to enter your credentials. This will grant you access to your account where all your Godaddy products are listed. Once you're logged in, click on Godaddy Home. This link is typically found under your account profile. Accessing this section allows you to view a comprehensive overview of all your services. The next step is to navigate to your products. Look for the Products tab in your account dashboard. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all your active domains and services associated with your Godaddy account. Now you need to focus on the domain for which you want to set up email forwarding. Locate it from the list and click on DNS. The DNS settings are crucial as they control where your emails are forwarded. With the DNS settings open for your domain, search for the forwarding section. It might take a bit of scrolling, but you'll eventually spot it. This is the part where we will set up the email forwarding rules. In the forwarding section, you'll see options to add a new forwarding address. Enter the email address you want emails from your domain to be forwarded to. If you're setting this up for multiple addresses, ensure each rule is listed correctly to prevent any misdirection of emails. Take a few moments to review everything you've set up, correct any errors, and make sure each forwarding rule is accurately configured. Double check that the destination email is entered correctly to avoid any potential delivery issues. Once you're satisfied with your setup, save your changes. Godaddy will typically prompt you to confirm the action to ensure everything is set up as intended. And that's it, you've now successfully set up email forwarding on Godaddy. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance how you manage emails from your domains. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.